Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also share my analysis on the important currency pairs like US dollar, Swiss franc. And I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Sorry for not having a professional setup. Kids are playing outside, they are shouting. You may be hearing their voice. I'm sorry. Okay. So this analysis is for Wednesday, 24th Feb 2021 only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. So this video is for 24th Feb only. Okay. So right now trading at 0.9070. Okay. Right now trading at this level. And you can see on the screen that I have marked down few important points with this blue line. So the first important or decisive price level is 0.9082. So market is right now showing us a small red candle, baby red candle. Okay, in case after some time or after a few hours, market goes up again. Okay, if market goes up again, let me take the. If market goes up again and crosses this level, okay, crosses this level, then we can consider that this resistance is no more valid. Okay, so if market crosses this level, then let market sustain above this level for say 45 minutes or 1 hour, then only we should jump into the buying side. Okay, if market successfully breaks this level and manages to stay above the level for 1 hour comfortably, it should not struggle with price rejection from above like this. Okay, it should stay above this level for 1 hour comfortably. If you get a closing after 1 hour that okay, market is trading comfortably above this level, then only you should go ahead and place the buy order, not before that. Let market cross this level. Okay, in case market starts coming down, okay, in case market starts coming down, then the first support will be provided or given by this 50 pair moving average. You can also use 50 pair moving average in your own trading software. Okay, so if market starts coming down, then it may reverse from here also. Okay, if market hits the 50 pair moving average and bounces off from there, like this, if you see some price rejection like this from the 50 pair moving average, then also you can go ahead and place the buy order, not before that or in between this level. So this is your no trading zone. I'll say this is your no trading zone. And if 50 pair moving average also fails to provide support, then next small support, I won't set a big support, small support is available at 0.8997. Okay, this level may try to provide some support. Otherwise your ultimate support is available at 0.89482. In case market falls big time, okay, in case then this level won't be able to provide support to the market, then we will only look after this level 0.89482. If market falls or comes down to this level and market shows some price reversal from below, a candle like this, okay, and if you spot some price rejection from below, or if you spot some, if you understand that market is about to bounce off from here, then this is also a place to buy. Okay, but market should provide support. Okay, the market should bounce from this support level. Okay, then only you should go ahead and buy. In case market crosses this level, okay, with full selling pressure, that's a different chapter. Then you can short the market, but I don't think this is going to happen. Okay, still I'm just nobody knows what is going to happen. So just remember, this is your important level. Okay, and this is your next important level. Okay, If market crosses this level and stays above this level comfortably for 1 hour, then you can go ahead and place the long order. If market comes down, then 50 pair moving average may provide support. If you see some price rejection from 50 pair moving average, if it bounces from there, then buy. Otherwise, you may look after this level. Okay. So this is the analysis. Sorry for the bad drawing. Anyways, this is the analysis for US dollar, Swiss franc for the day, and hopefully you have understood. And if you found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.